We already completed 2 chapters, numbers up to 200, addition of 2-digit numbers. In previous class, I started third chapter, subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction means we take away one number from the another number. Yes, subtraction means simple word taken away or take away one number from the another number. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. Minus. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. Already you learned in first class. This is the symbol for minus. The subtraction of 2-digit numbers means, yes, 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. Here there are 3 words are there. Those are subtrahend, minute and difference. Subtrahend, S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Next, minute, M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Next goes to difference. These are the terms of subtraction. Simple words goes to subtrahend, small number. We taken away small number from the big number. Minute, big number. Difference, the answer of the subtraction, the result of the subtraction. These 3 words are terms in subtraction. The number to be subtracted, the big number, the answer. Simple words. Actually, we get the difference. We taken away small number from the big number. In the subtraction, big number always up, small number always down. We taken away small number from the big number. This is going to minute means big number. Subtrahend means small number. Answer, difference. We get the difference. Big number minus small number. Big number minus small number. Next, subtraction facts. That means rules in the subtraction. Already I taught you in the previous class. See, number minus 0. What is the answer? Number itself. That means same number. That means same number. This is the first rule. Number minus 0, same number. That is going to 9 minus 0. The difference is 9. 18 minus 0. The difference is 18. 45 minus 0. The answer is 45. 78 minus 0. The answer is 78. That means number minus 0, same number. The number itself. Number minus 0, the number itself means the given number only, difference. Why? 0 means nothing. That place is empty. Okay? Next one. When we subtract 1 from a number. When we subtract 1 from a number. Now we are going to subtract 1 from a number. Then what is the answer? See, number minus 1. We take away 1 from the number. We get the before number of the given number. Before number of the given number. The predecessor of the given number. The predecessor of the given number. The before number of the given number. See, number 10 minus 1. What is the difference? What comes before 10? 9. Very good. 16 minus 1. What is the before number of 16? Yes, 15. 24 minus 1. The before number of 24? 23. Very good. 48 minus 1. What is the answer? What comes before 48? 47. 69 minus 1. What comes before 69? Yes, 68. 87 minus 1. Yes, 86. Very good. Subtraction. Number minus 1. We subtract 1 from a number. The answer, the difference goes to before number of the given number. Before number of the given number. Number minus 0, the number itself. The number itself. We get the same number. Third rule. When we subtract the number from itself, itself means number minus same number. When we subtract the number from itself, we get 0. Number minus same number. Number itself means number minus same number. Both are same. That means no difference between the given number. See, 18 minus 18. What is the difference? 0. When we subtract number from itself, we get the answer 0. No difference. 24 minus 24. Difference is 0. 76 minus 76. 0. These are the rules in the subtraction. Okay? Once again. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus 1, the before number of the given number. Number subtract from itself, that means number from same number, we get 0. Next, subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtract. Okay, without regrouping. See, 48 minus 3. 48 is 2-digit number. 3 is 1-digit number. Yes or no? 48 is 2-digit number. 3 is 1-digit number. Subtraction also start from ones place only. 48 is big. 3 is small. 48 is 2-digit number. 2-digit number is big. 1-digit number is small. 8 minus 3. We take away 3 from 8. We subtract 3 from 8. Why? 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3. Okay? Now how to do? Come on. Close fingers. Start counting from 3 till we get 8. 3 after. Count after numbers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8. Then stop counting. How many fingers? 5. That means 8 minus 3, 5. Now here 4 is in the tens place. Bring down 4. Now the difference is 45. All the children practice this process only. Another one. 56 minus 1. Ones place, tens place. 56 is 2-digit number. 1 is 1-digit number. Start from ones place. 6 is greater than 1. 6 is greater than 1. We subtract 1 from 6. 6 minus 1 before number of the given number. 6 before 5. Now bring down tens number. Now what is the difference? 55. What is the difference? 55. Subtraction is 56 minus 1. Another one. 68 minus 23. Both the numbers are 2-digit. Ones place, tens place. First number is 68. Second number is 23. Start subtraction from ones place. First number is 8. Second number is 3. 8 is greater than 3. Now, come on, do process. Close fingers. Start counting from 3 to 8. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. after 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop counting. How many fingers? 4. What is the difference? 45. Another example. Are you understood, Nana? Okay, very easy. Here using closed fingers. Come on, another one. 89 minus 45. 78 minus 34. 97 minus 60. All are going to two-digit numbers. Ones place, tens place. Start subtraction from ones place. 9 minus 5. 9 is big, 5 is small. Come on. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. We get 9. Stop counting. How many fingers there is? 4. Answer is not 9. The difference goes to 4. Once again. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Now come to tens. 8 minus 4, same process. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop counting. How many fingers? 4. Write 4 in the tens place. The difference is 44. 89 minus 45, 44. Now come to this. Ones place, tens place. 78 minus 34. 78 minus 34. Start from ones place. 8 is big, 4 is small. Subtraction is possible. Why? 8 is greater than 4. Using closed fingers. Start counting from 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 4. Write 4 here. Now subtract tens. 7 minus 3. Close fingers. Start counting from 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 4 fingers. Now the difference is 44. 78 minus 34, 44. We subtract 34 from 78. 78 లో నుంచి 34 ని subtract చేసాం. Now come to this. 97 minus 60. 97, 60. Both are two-digit numbers. Here also start from ones place. 7 minus 0. Number minus 0, same number. Very good. Write 7. Now subtract tens. 9 minus 6. Process. Close fingers. Start counting from 6 after 7, 8, 9. We get 9 in counting. Then how many fingers? 3. What is the difference? 37. This is going to subtraction without regrouping. Simple subtraction. In the upper number, that means first number is big, second number is small. Subtraction means big number minus small number, big number minus small number, big number minus small number. The answer is called difference. The answer is called difference. Subtraction without regrouping with two-digit numbers. Two-digit number minus one-digit number, two-digit number minus two-digit number. The rules of subtraction same. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus 1 before number of the given number. Number minus same number 0. Now I am going to, yes, very easy Nana, but be careful while counting the numbers. Now we are going to subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. also very simple. Okay. Regrouping. See, subtraction with regrouping. One digit numbers from two digit numbers. Two digit numbers from two digit numbers. Subtraction of one digit number from two digit numbers. First, two digit number minus one digit number. Two digit number minus two digit number. Subtraction with regrouping. Come on, see. Subtract. What is the symbol for subtraction, Nana? Minus. Very good. What is the answer? Difference. Come on. 25 minus 8. Ones place, tens place. I write again, Nana, downwards with big numbers. 25 minus 8. We subtract one digit number from two digit number. Here one thing you have to remember. 25 is two digit number. 8 is one digit number. Two digit number is always bigger than one digit number. Actually, subtraction means big number minus small number. Isn't it? Now come to start from ones place. See, first number is 5. Down number is 8. 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. Subtraction not possible. Then how can you do? Here one method is there. 5 is asking 2. 5 is asking 2. What? I want to subtract 8 from me, but I can't. I am less than 8. How can I am going to subtract 8? 2, please give me one 10. Please give me one number to me. Then I am becomes bigger number, bigger than 8. How it becomes bigger than 8? See, one number borrow from 2 to 1. One number moving from tens place to ones place. The number moving from left to right. One number moving from left to right. Then 5 becomes more than 8. 5 is asking 2. I want to subtract 8 from me, but I can't. Why? I am small, 8 is big. I can't. That's why 2, please give me one number. Then I am going to big number. Then I do subtract. Okay, then 2 give one number to 5. That means one number moving from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones. That means one number come to ones means that is going to 10. Okay, 10 and 5 make 15. Then 2 becomes 1. Why? 2 having 2 tens? No. It gives 1 10 to 5. Then 2 becomes 1. Right? 1 above 2. Now 5 becomes more than 8. 5 is happy. Yes. Now I am going to subtract 8. Come on. 15 minus 8. Come on. Same process. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop counting. How many fingers? 7. Again. Now 5 becomes 15. 15 is big, 8 is small. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. How many fingers? We get 15 in counting. Stop. Now how many fingers? 7. That means 15 minus 8, 7. 15, 5 becomes 15. 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now how much is in the tens place? 1. Bring down 1. Now what is the difference? 17. This is going to subtraction with regrouping. one digit number from two digit number. Okay, this is called borrowing. Borrowing. Okay, in the class, one boy having no pencil. Then what he do? He asking his friend, "Hey, please give me pencil. I forgot my home. No, please give me pencil. If you are not giving, teacher is scolded me. Please give me pencil." You are taking a pencil with your friend, no? Like that. 5 is asking 2. I am less than 8. I can't subtract 8. Please help me 2. Please help me. Then 2 is asking what? Please give me one number to me. Then I am becomes more than 8. Then 2 gives one number. Then 5 becomes 15. One number means 10. 10 and 5 becomes 10 and 5 make 15. Now 15 is big, 8 is small. Now 2 becomes 1. Why 2 given 1 to 5 no? Then 2 becomes 1. Now subtraction is 15 minus 7 and bring down 1. The difference goes to 17. This is called borrowing subtraction. Upper number is small. We are going to using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from left to right. That means tens place to ones place. Tens place to ones place, one number means 10. 10 and 5 make 15. 10 and 5 make 15. Okay, why you are doing like that? Subtraction means big number minus small number. Always upper number is big. Okay, another example. I think you are understood. Okay, another example. Changing of numbers, be careful. 34 minus 7. Ones, tens. 34 minus 7. We subtract 7 from 34. Start from ones. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Why? 4 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible. Then going to concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. That means one number moving from left to right. That means one number means 3 to one number comes to 4. Then 4 becomes 14. 10 and 4 make 14. 3 becomes 2. Why? 3 given one number to 4. Then 4 becomes big number. Now 4 is 14. Now subtraction is possible. Why? 14 is greater than 7. First 4 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible. Then we are going to using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. The number moving from left to right. Then 4 becomes 14. 10 and 4 make 14. Now 3 becomes 2. Why? 3 given one number to 4. Then 3 becomes 2. Now doing subtraction. 14 minus 7. Now it is possible. Same process. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7. We get 14 in the counting. Stop counting and count the fingers. 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Now look at the tens. Here only tens. Write same number in the answer place. Now the difference is 27. This is subtraction with regrouping. Okay, regrouping means borrowing. Another example. Watch carefully, Nana. 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8. Ones place. also start from ones place. 2 minus 8, it is not possible. Why? 2 is less than 8. 2 is small, 8 is big. It is not possible. Then using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens to ones. Then 2 becomes 12, 6 becomes 5, 2 becomes 12, 6 becomes 5. Now subtraction is possible. 2 becomes 12, 12 is big, 8 is small. Now 12 minus 8, counting in the same way. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop counting. How many fingers? 4. Write 4 in the ones place. Now come to tens. Here 5. No tens here. Then bring down 5. Now what is the difference? 54. Subtraction with regrouping. One digit number from two digit number. One digit number from two digit number. One digit number ni two digit number lo nunchi subtract chestunna. Next another example. Another example. Two digit number from two digit number with regrouping. 75 minus 39. 75 minus 39. We subtract 39 from 75. 39 ni 75 lo nunchi subtract chestunnam. Start from ones place. Look at the ones place numbers. 5, 9. 5 minus 9 not possible. Why? 5 is small, 9 is big. 5 is less than 9. It is not possible. Then concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens to ones. Then 5 becomes 15, 7 becomes 6. Now we are going to changing the numbers. 5 becomes 15, 7 becomes 6. Now subtraction is possible. Why? 15 is big, 9 is small. Same counting. Close fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop counting. How many fingers? 6. Write 6 in the ones place. Now come to tens. 6 minus 3. 6 is big, 3 is small. Same process. Here subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3. Now the difference is 36. Subtraction with regrouping. Two digit number from two digit number. Another example. Another example. 42 minus 17. 42 minus 17. Ones place, tens place. Start subtraction from ones place. Check the ones place numbers. 2 and 7. 2 minus 7. Not possible. 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. Subtraction is not possible. Then using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens to ones. One number moving from tens to ones. Left to right. Then 2 becomes 12. 4 becomes 3. Why? 4 given one number to 2. That's why 4 changes into 3. Now subtraction is possible. 12 is big, 7 is small. Close fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Now come to tens. 3 minus 1. It is possible. 3 minus 1. Number minus 1 before number of 3. Otherwise count. close fingers, 1 after 2, 3. 3 before 2, the difference goes to 25. We subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit. The method goes to with regrouping. With regrouping means borrowing concept. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Another example. Are you understood? Very easy. 71 minus 48. 71 minus 48. Start from ones place. 1 is small, 8 is big. Subtraction is not possible. Then using concept of borrowing. Concept of borrowing means one number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 1 becomes 11, 7 becomes 6. Now 11 minus 8. Close fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 3. Now tens. 6 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 2. The difference is 23. This is subtraction with regrouping. Regrouping means borrowing subtraction. Concept of borrowing means ones place number, first number is smaller than down number. Okay, that's why using concept of borrowing. One number moving from tens to ones. Then this number becomes 11. This number becomes 6. It goes to before number. 11 minus 8, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. I think you all are understood. Practice in your homework book or rough notes. Simple subtraction and borrowing subtraction. We continue in the next class. Same process. Thank you, my dear children. Learn tables from 2 to 10. 2 to 10. 6, 7, 8. Perfectly practice. 6 table, 7 table, 8 table. 9 and 10 are easy. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.